In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to get custom skins on Minecraft Switch and whether or not it is possible to do this. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you can see, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that I'm recording this video on the Windows version of Minecraft Bedrock, but the process is exactly the same as the Nintendo Switch, and I'm only recording on my computer for convenience. On your Nintendo Switch, if you go over to the dressing room, while you can browse it, all of the skins available and edit your character as you wish. As you can see, you can go over your body, style, and each different portion. You will notice that there is no option to add custom images or custom skins from your Nintendo Switch storage. So is there any way to import a file or an image from your computer to your Switch and then use that skin on your Nintendo Switch? Sadly, as of today, the only options you have available for modifying your skin on the Nintendo Switch is through the character creator on the dressing room. Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch does not allow you to import custom images to use as your skin, and you need to go through the character creator if you wish to make a custom skin for yourself. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware that it is impossible officially to import custom skins into Minecraft Bedrock on the Nintendo Switch. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.